Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover your Google Authenticator account using your old phone. So in the first method, if you still have access to your Google account, you need to open your Google account, then go to two-step authentication. There you will see the Authenticator app option, so you need to choose that. Then you need to choose the change phone option. Then you can scan the QR code on your new phone using the Google Authenticator application. So this was the first step if you already have the backup option or if you already have the access to your email in your older account. If not, you can try other troubleshooting methods. Like if you have saved your Google backup codes, you can use one of them to sign in. So these are 8-digit codes Google gives you during the setup. So you can check your email address, saved documents and your printouts. You can also recover your account if you lost access to it. So if you are not able to log in at all, you can try this method in which you need to open your web browser in your mobile device and search for Google account recovery. Then you will be landed on this page. So here you need to come and follow further instructions in order to verify your identity. Here Google may ask for the previous passwords, recovery email or linked phone numbers, so you need to just provide those and recover your email address. If you are logged out of the third-party apps like Binance, Instagram or Coinbase due to the lost authenticator access, you can contact to their customer support team directly. Most of them offers the identity verification to reset 2FA. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.